Yesterday we made $113 in just 10 minutes. And in this video, I want to show you how we caught this trade and how you can capitalize on this recurring setup to trade every day the next year in 2025. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's jump into the video. All right, so step one is understanding candles because we are reading a candlestick chart. So candles. So what exactly do you need to understand about candles? So if this is a candle has support and resistance naturally to it. So you'll see we have maybe a high there and then a low somewhere down here. Now, this high and this low is the resistance up here and the support down here. All right. The next thing you need to understand is breakouts. So here's the thing. There are three things that price do when it's bound in a range. So you need to see like a candlestick as just an area of consolidation. Now, if it's an area of consolidation, then obviously when price breaks out, it will do three things. Price can break out and continue in the direction of the trend. Price can break out and reverse, or price can break out and just consolidate, not go anywhere. So when you are taking a trade, you are not surprised because you know this is the typical market movement. Now, we also need to know when price reaches a certain level, we are wrong and we cut our losses immediately. And we also need to be able to have the confidence to let trades run and go towards our take profit. All right, so how do we do that? Before we even talk about that, we also need to understand levels. Now, a level is an area where price is consolidating. That can be one candle, that can be many candles, depending on the time frame you are using. So think about an uptrend. So in an uptrend, price is creating higher highs and higher lows, like that. So for you to identify your level, firstly, you need to identify the most recent high and the most recent low. So this is the most recent low, this is the most recent high, unless price gives us a bearish movement here. Then this becomes our most recent high. Now, this is just a typical high and low. However, if price comes and touches this low, then bounces, then touches this high, then bounces, then you have a level now. A level is just support and resistance. And support and resistance needs at least two touches. So this is one touch, this is two touches. One touch, two touches. So anything above will be a breakout and it will be a buy signal. Anything below will be a breakout and it will be a sell signal. So let's look at what happened yesterday. So yesterday, prices were behaving very well. So the students who are looking at US 100 or oil, we both made a killing yesterday. So this is the process that you follow. Step one, come to the screen at 9:30 or a few minutes before 9:30. I usually start my streams at 9 a.m. So I have about 30 minutes of just getting into the headspace and preparing myself. Now, when we look at what we have here at 9:30, we see we have this movement down. So we have like a break of structure. We've already engulfed all these people here. However, I'm not really interested in this. I'm interested in what is happening right here. And you can see here, we have price going up. So price went up, then price went down, then price went up, then price went down, then price went up, then price went down, then price went up. So this is just an area of consolidation. meaning this is our level. And so our theory is anything above this area is a breakout and we buy. And anything below this area is a breakout and we sell. So at 9:30, we are waiting for that market open, and the market open has volume. So we want to capitalize on the fact that we have volume in the market, and if price breaks out in one particular direction, a lot of, well, not a lot of the times, but I think a third of the times it goes in our direction. So out of every 4 trades, 1 will be a winner, probably the rest will be losers. But if you play it out in the long run, you are in profit. So what happened? So price broke out to the downside at 9:30, after 9:30. So yes, this candle here, that was our breakout, and we had our entry, our stop loss above that candle. We were targeting a 1:2, and that is what we have here. So you can see price broke out. We took some profit at $113. So basically it's as simple as that. Now let me show you the same setup occurred on US 100. So come to the screen at 9:30, and the thinking is, when you come to the screen at 9:30, you want to identify your level. So if we look at here, we have this area here where we have this one touch, we have this second touch, and then after 9:30, 9:29, price breaks out, and then after 9:30, price breaks out of this whole level. So that was the entry long. Stop loss was below the breakout candle, and then we are targeting a 1:2. You can see how simple it is. Now, also, I have coded this strategy. So if your strategy cannot be coded, then you need to clarify your strategy. And let me show you. So let's go to Pine Editor. Oh yes, here it is. So you can see the robot itself took that trade exactly where we would have taken it. Well, we took it a bit further, but it still waited for the level to be broken out of. This robot does not know about time. I've not been able to put time there, but it's giving very fairly accurate signals. And you can see it has taken over 1,761 trades. And overall, the performance of this particular strategy is good. Like out of 1,761 trades, we are still net profit. So the equity curve is looking nice. I can't complain. So if you'd like to learn more about this strategy, you can join this community. And in this community, I will teach you the strategy one-on-one. I do live classes every single day, 1 hour before the New York session open. And then in the New York session, we do live trading sessions together. So you can see this is a live trade, and we took it with traders also live. If you're ready to become a consistently profitable trader, then definitely join us. Let's do this. And if you got value from today's video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.